Hi guys, welcome back to my another video. You know the most of the problem we are facing today, they are due to stress and anxiety at home and workspaces. We are shifting to modernization and giving ourselves better standards by earning more. We somehow are lacking in care of our body, our mind and eventually our health. We are living in a world where mental health problems are more common than anything else. The worst part in this busy world, we are don't getting time to work on ourselves to reduce stress for a healthy body. So it is very important to take care and measures to reduce stress at work and at home. There are some indoor plants that reduce stress and give us a healthy, breathable environment and save us from health problems. So let us start. Number 1. Basil plant. This holy plant is one of the most common plants you may find in households. These plants have anti-stress properties which help to relieve stress and anxieties. Basil's leaves are used for salad dressing, treat stomach ulcer, insect bites and sore throats. Basil plant acts as an adaptogen, which is why having a basil plant in your house or office can be improve mental clarity. Number 2. Jasmine plant. This blissful plant not just possesses beautiful flowers that are pleasing for the eyes, but also it is a natural way to reduce stress and anxiety at work and home. Also, it helps you feel better by increasing your productivity by giving you a fresh environment and a good odor. This gorgeous plant not just make your room decor lit, but also contribute to keep the surroundings fresh with its fragrance and fresh oxygen supply. Number 3. Snake plant. Snake plant is one of the best stress relieving plant to keep in your home and office spaces. Keeping a snake plant in your bedroom or your office desk will improve the air quality by removing harmful toxins and providing you a fresh air to breathe. This unique looking plant can be kept in a beautiful small pot and that helps ease headaches, eye irritations and breathing problems. Number 4. Areca palm. This palm has its own way to relieve stress. Areca palm is the very popular air purifying plant which can be kept both in homes and office. This low maintenance plant is easy to care for and is proven to remove harmful toxins from the air that attacks the health of people. These plants help to lower anxiety level and blood pressures, which in turn help us to calm our mental and physical state, thus protecting us from falling sick. Number 5. English ivy plant. English ivy is a proven indoor plant for stress relief and anxiety by NASA. It reduces headaches and promotes a good night's sleep. This hanging plant is great companion to those who wish to calm their allergies, particularly if they suffer from asthma. This plant helps in keeping away airborne diseases and is the best when the climate condition goes worse during the festive season. Due to its rareness, you might not be able to find this plant easily in the nearest market. You can buy it online. You can also place aloe vera, peppermint, lavender and money plant in your office and home. These plants also reduce stress and anxiety. Thanks for watching.